Hello, team and family. We're working on simplifying fractions. So they're still going to have the same value. They're just going to be smaller numbers on the numerator and on the denominator. So for this example, this is video number 2, we're going to take 24 over 28. Now, if I only want to simplify once, I need to think of the greatest common factor between 24 and 28. So when I think about my greatest common factor, I'm just thinking about numbers that I can multiply to get 24 and numbers I can multiply to get 28. So if I think a couple different numbers, let's first try 1. 1 times 24 is 24. 1 times 28 is 28. 1's always a common factor. We could also do 2. 2 times 12 is 24. And 2 times 14 is 28. We could also do 3. 3 times 8 is 24. But I can't do 3 for 28. 4 times 6 is 24. And then I know over here, 4 times 7 is 28. 5 times, nope, can't go into 24 or 28. 6 times can't go into 24 or 28. So these are my common factors. So if I look, I can now take 24 and 28. They don't match up with any ones on the top and the bottom. 12 doesn't match up with anything on the bottom. 14 doesn't match up with anything on the top. 8 doesn't match up. 7 doesn't match up. 6 doesn't match up. Ooh, but I do see 4 and 4. I also see 3 doesn't match up, but 2 and 2 both match up. 1 as well. So looking at 1, 2, and 4, my greatest or my biggest common factor is 4. If I do simplify by something other than 4, I'm going to have to simplify multiple times. So my GCF, or my greatest common factor, is 4. So I'm going to use my 1z to divide 24 over 28 by 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. And 28 divided by 4 is 7. So my answer is 6/7. And 6 over 7 has the same value as 24 over 28. And I know this because I divided by a 1z, which won't change the value of the number. Or the value of the fraction. The fraction will look different, but it won't change the value. And that's my answer.